going to arrive in style.
This is a river. Oh wow, this is the river? I don't know where the bridge is.
Sabaidi!
We're definitely lost.
Good morning once again. We are Silke and Kieran, and we are on a 10-year honeymoon around the world. And right now we are in Laos and leaving Nong Kiao.
Yes, we have done this trip 3 years ago.
Sabaidi!
Last time we walked from Mung Noi to Nong Kiao. This time we're going to do Nong Kiao to Mung Noi.
Yeah.
Because there we know there are some beautiful villages in between.
It's one of our favourite parts of Laos. There is so much beautiful nature, the people are amazing, and the villages are super local. And that's why it's probably one of our top picks for Laos. So.
100%. Can I take a picture? Ngamlai.
Between Nong Kiao and Mung Noi, you have two villages, which are first you would come to Sopkon,
Sopkon.
and next you would come to Ban Hachan. And these two villages, they're missed out a lot, like by tourists, because no one really walks this road.
There is actually a boat that goes from Nong Kiao to Mung Noi, so that's why everybody takes a boat and misses those villages.
Yep, and Mung Noi is a beautiful, really beautiful village. It's really authentic. I mean, the last time we were here, we hope it still is. But yeah, these two villages in the middle is actually where we ended up staying. We stayed in Sopkon, which is near a place called Yensabai Organic Farm, and
it has a very beautiful blue waterfall.
Yeah,
like
it was featured in a previous Laos video, which we'll link up here, our old travel video. But yeah, let's see. We look forward to rediscovering and re-exploring these places,
and especially sharing this with our friends.
I'm taking a bath right now. And you're watching. This is awesome.
We have just arrived in a tiny village that we were as well 3 years ago.
This was the last stop for us before Nong Kiao, and we remember the place where we had it. We're gonna go now, but we had like fried noodles, and I think we had some cold juice as well, which is so unlike us, but it was so hot.
Yeah, let's see if it's still there. Seems like it's not here anymore. This was of course 3 years ago.
Okay.
We love having papaya just like this, and also the seeds are super good for cleaning out your inside. So we always eat all the seeds, and yeah.
So funny, Jacob was just mentioning that this girl is like maybe 6 years old and walking around with a knife, which is crazy. This is the road, we have to get there, but there's no bridge, so we just have to walk through the river. I think it will be super refreshing. I'm looking forward to it.
Let's go.
Woo! Feels good. Don't fall.
I got the camera.
Woo! Goes deep. Ah! Do I have anything important? It's like a lot of Okay. This is adventure. Perfect. Yeah, okay, good job.
You have son, here, son.
You have
Baby, big now. Yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. We know you. We see you 3 years.
What?
That is so crazy. I wish we had internet, but we don't. There's no signal here. We took a
You
photo.
recognized her.
Straight away, I recognised her. We have this photo. We're going to put it on screen now. Her, that woman, 3 years ago, Silke took an incredible photo of her with her baby on the back. You see the photo, yeah. And now I just recognised her straight away. I was like, that's got to be her.
That's
and it
insane.
is. We just said, ah, baby. Oh my God, that is.
Oh,
so
that's so
funny.
beautiful. Last time we were here, we ended up here like quite late, so we're like, okay, let's go to the waterfall first. And then we thought we were going to sleep in the organic farm, but there was no place anymore. So, so they put us up with this family. They have this little house, and we slept in their house. They made us the best omelette we've ever had in our life. Oh my God, the house is here. My God, the house is here, and I even have a picture of it. Oh,
We here. We stayed here 3 years ago with you and your wife.
oh my
Wow.
God! We sleep here. You rice. We oh.
We carry this, and we make the corn with you. Chuk 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 on the corn. You know how do you say corn?
Corn. Yeah, we sleep
Right here.
here.
มาปีนั้นเขามันมานอนนี่เด็ดพอมัน
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We hear good. Sepla lai.
นอนนี่น่ะ
Yeah. Sepla lai.
คุณมะพร้าว
Yeah.
ปี
Kai. Sepla lai. Yeah, they remember. We're showing them the pictures of our wedding, and they're like, "Oh my God." We're all going to Jenseberg now, to the organic farm, and just check it out. Bye bye. Welcome, bye.
Bye-bye.
They must be like, those palang are weird.
Wow. Oh my God, they've got a car here. How did they get a car?
That's what we call paradise. I can see your Just brought some dry banana, which you make here at the farm, and they're super tasty.
So tasty.
Lots of energy.
But yeah.
It's now 5:30 p.m. and we have just left the organic farm, and we're still planning to walk all the way to Magnoy, which is a 2-hour walk.
Maybe at 8 o'clock?
Yeah,
No,
so
yeah, 9.
let's see.
7:30.
I cannot wait for dinner.
Story time with Silke.
So, 7 years ago, I was also in Laos, and I went to this tiny village entering from Vietnam. I went to Mung Noi, where we are going to now. And funny story is, there is this guy from Sweden who has a girlfriend from Laos, and they had like 1 or 2 babies. And outside, a buffet place. So they had this beautiful buffet of a few euros. And it was like everything: shakshuka, eggs, pancakes, waffles, fruit, so many things. But the funny story is that the neighbors on the other side of the road started doing the exact same thing. So they copied them. So the waffles looked exactly the same, everything looked exactly the same, but just €0.5 cheaper. Back then they always had fights with each other because they were like, oh, come here, you should eat here, we are the real ones, they're the fake ones, they are just like copying us. And I told this whole story to Kieran when I met him 5 years ago.
And I said to her, don't get your hopes up, you know, they probably won't still be there or things might have changed. And then 3 years ago,
later,
we go to Laos and voila, in Mong Noi, the same situation.
they were still fighting.
More babies this time though.
Yes, like 5 babies.
Babies.
Or babies.
But now we're on our way there now, and this is something that we were excited to share with our friends. But we just stopped at Yensabai Organic Farm and we spoke to Sai, and he said that it's no longer there because of COVID. They stopped the buffet. I don't know if they still have the hostel, but I don't know, we're going to find out soon.
It's such a sad thing. Like, I know COVID has been like positive for some reasons, but yeah, so many people have lost their job or things have
The
closed
business
down.
and stuff. And
So
COVID
it's really
for
sad.
us was a really beautiful period for us to be able to expand and start our Instagram page, and now we're able to help places out along the way. But it's super sad that, you know, there are a lot of businesses and a lot of people who have been affected with it in not such a positive way. And we just hope that with these vlogs and with our Instagram platform and stuff, that we can help to bring tourism back to
And inspire
places,
you
and inspire
to
you
come and
guys
travel.
to come and travel to the local places, to the little villages which no one goes to, you know. There are so many places, so many villages in between which are so beautiful and so off the beaten path, and you can see like authentic culture. It's right out in the open.
Yeah. Crazy. Woo.
So nice. Oh my god. Holy shit. Just like
Yeah, I'm going to take it off.
guys, this is magical.
Okay.
Guys, this is part of the adventure. Look at this shit.
What?
I've got mud all over my legs.
Wow, we're going to arrive in style.
Guys, let it go through your toes. It's so nice.
Oh my god.
Who would want to pay to take a boat? I mean, guys, this is amazing. Amazing, guys. Why would we pay for a boat? So, guys, if Silke and I started tour packages, would you come along? Yep. Definitely. Would you recommend to friends? The f***ing noises. Okay, it's better now. More solitude. Oh, no way.
No, this is a river.
Oh, wow, this is the river? I don't know where the bridge is.
Okay, most important is we stay together, guys.
Yeah. Like,
Oh, we have to go back.
We have to go back, guys. We have to go back.
The problem is there's no one here, no one can tell us where to go. Sabaidi!
I don't know whether I would drift across the river. I don't think
No, no, no.
so. Why not? Either way.
Sabaidi!
I reckon we go back now. Back where?
To where we came from, there's 2 other roads.
Well, I guess we're going back in the mud like that.
So we're lost.
We're definitely lost. And the map is no good. My God, it's super slippery, guys. Some of the important things in my pockets. We're gonna wade across the river. Wade in the water. Wade in the water. We come this way. We come. Oh shit, it is slippery. That's a trap. Yeah, just take some more
Oh, it's slippery, huh?
shit.
Lover, I don't know if we should do this.
We're halfway there.
Yeah, it's either this or walking all the way back to the village. I'm not doing that.
Take it off.
If we can come a little bit closer.
I got it. Hey, can we just take our clothes off?
Oh my god,
On our head?
it's crazy.
Hey guys. Hey, you guys. Awesome.
Yeah.
I'm down.
Yeah, same. This is insane. We just
Oh, that
crossed the river. Which way? Magnoy? This way. Okay. Okay, let's see.
Guys, what adventure.
Where's the bridge? Little shit. There used to be a bridge and there's no bridge anymore. Oh my god.
And we have found fried pumpkin with sticky rice and sugar.
For you.
And
Oh, thank you.
cup chai.
Fried bread.
Thank you
fried
so
bread.
much.
Oh, this is a savior
Thank
1 and
you.
2.
to be here.
Together is
Do you know what this tastes like? Churros.
Oh, churros.
Oh, I would.
just leave it. Ah, no. Like, let me
This
take.
bread was insane.
And the bread is good.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
So, we have arrived.
We have arrived in Mung Noi, and unfortunately the place that we stayed before we couldn't find, but we did find this place. It was the woman who sold good food showed us this place, and it's super cheap. It's 60,000 a night, and the people are so nice, and we're just happy to be back.
Yeah, it looks like Mung Noi is not how it used to be. It looks like really dead. There's no tourists. But yeah, we're looking forward to exploring tomorrow. Seems like it's one market every 10 days.
And it's tomorrow. And also, it's still fun here. I mean, you can do things like this.
Okay. Stop.
ยอมให้เธอเป็นนายคอยวัดสายอมเป็นสางเป็นไม้เธอคิดเลยไม่ดีทางไหนไปลองไปตามสบายยอมเป็นทานรับไหนตอนตีสี่ No matter how far
I've been smoking big cigars, but I knew I had it coming. I know I ain't.
ทุกค่ำคืนเธอมีไป
Well, guys, we hope that you have enjoyed this video and this adventure with us. We had so much fun today.
And all of this just because we decided not to take a boat, which
Yeah.
brings you straight to the village. We just say, let's hike, and there are new adventures.
I think we've said this before, but the adventure is not in the destination, it's in the journey. And we believe that you can have an adventure all the way from point A to point B, have an adventure in point B and end up in point C or point Z, you know? Like, I think it's all part of the journey. So we hope that you guys feel inspired to do something similar somewhere else in the world, or maybe in the same part of the world, who knows?
Yeah.
And I think in the next video maybe we're gonna explore some Mung Noi.
Mung Noi.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So
Guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and all the good stuff. And yeah, have a wonderful day, evening, wherever you are.
enjoy.
This is a game.
The alpha is